if I kitty? He's gonna say yeah. Watch.
Yes. How old are you?
I'm 7.
Oh, you're 7? I thought you were
Yeah,
11.
why are you saying that?
Oh,
I'm gonna turn 8 in
my head,
July.
my
Um,
speakers are broken.
my birthday's gonna be on July 26th.
Well, your
Yeah,
birthday's coming up.
huh?
You want me to buy Robux
Yeah.
for you?
Yeah, sure.
I'm too broke. I'm too broke. I'm poor.
Like my mom.
I can give you 10
My
Robux.
mom is poor. My mom is poor.
Well, I only have like 10 Robux on my avatar.
Okay, and I get Roblox. I'll share with you.
Yes, we're gonna get Robux. Robux?
Because my mom said in my birthday she's gonna buy me some Roblox.
Whoa, you're so lucky.
And because she told me she's gonna give me like 22.100k Roblox.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah, I will share with my best friend.
Yeah, I'm your best friend, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna share with my friends have voice chat.
Yeah, like me, right?
I shut up.
I'm lagging so hard.